I really hurt people around me just because there was so much going on in my head.
This delay in diagnosis and the symptoms that you experience yourself, how did that affect your care, the relationships you had with family and friends, or your providers even, your day-to-day life? Love to hear about that.
Well, so for me, it's been a struggle in a lot of my relationships just along the way, like friendships and stuff like that, because I didn't know then that I had the brain injury. So kind of what that looked like was me having a hard time telling people off. And, I talk about when I speak about, losing my temper and throwing food in a restaurant and a lot of people ask the question if I was bipolar or had some, things like that. And I've had a lot of people walk away from me, people that were long time friends in those couple of years, especially right before 2019. I would say from like 2016 to 2019, it was really bad. I started battling with some thoughts and attempt at suicide. So, I really hurt people around me just because there was so much going on in my head, and I became a crier and a yeller. And sometimes my emotions didn't match what was being said to me, and just this complete emotional dysregulation. Whereas now, I kind of have ways of, I still have it, just not as bad, but I also know how to prioritize sleep. That is my kryptonite, as Dr. Hennes has told me. And I make sure that everybody knows that. And the other thing is I will tell people like, hey, today's a day where I'm going to be super easily overstimulated. So people will not put on the TV, or being able to ask people to repeat things or to write things down. I think that understanding that has been able to help others kind of relate to me and be able to kind of work on those relationships. I'm very open and honest with people that I have a brain injury, and that they're, these are my triggers. And, sometimes I just tell people like, I might need a little extra grace today. It's not a good brain day. And I'll just say that. So I think that understanding that, and that was probably one of the best things that I walked away from going to the neural connection, is the education on how to understand me and to kind of really help others understand me as well. So that was really important to me.